everybody, welcome to Avaneco Technologies. In the previous video, we were seeing about the inventory process and the stock management. In today's video, we're going to see about the price management. So there are basically 5 different price lists. So what are its priority levels and how effectively can we use them into SAP? We'll see into the video. I have taken the OEC Computers Test Database. So in this video, we're going to see about the pricing management in SAP Business One. So in SAP, there are basically 5 different pricing concepts. So the first one being the price list, which is available under main menu, inventory, price list, and the first one, price list. The second one being period and volume discounts. The third one, discount groups. Fourth one, special price for business partners. And the fifth one, price management in the blanket agreements. But here, the highest priority holds for the blanket agreements. So basically, in the sales AR, the first one being the sales blanket agreement, you can see that here in the details for the items, what is the price given? If there is any price fixed here, then whenever I'm going to put the sales for this particular customer for this particular item, then only this price given in the unit price, this only be considered because this holds the highest priority. So the second highest priority is special prices for business partners. So that is under inventory, price list, and special prices for business partners. So here you can see that if you give a business partner code and an item, you can actually set what is the current price list, what is the discount that we're going to give for this particular price list, and then what is the price after discount. This can also be applied. So this can also be applied in your sales. So when I click on the serial number 1 here, we can give as many lines as possible. When I click on the serial number 1, you can see that the valid period from which the sales is going to happen, that from date and to date can be given here. Based on that, a different discount can be given. Or when I click on the serial number 1 again, you can see that the quantity. Say for example, if I've given 4 quantity here, only if I sell more than 4 quantity, then this particular discount is applicable. If I've not given anything here, then it is applicable by default. So this special prices for business partners holds second priority. So the third priority will be from the discount groups. So basically, when you select a particular business partner, say for example here, based on the item group wise or property wise or manufacturer wise or item wise, we'll be able to set up the discount groups. And since all these item groups, manufacturers and items will have only one per item master data, whereas this properties, all 64 can be accompanied in an item or there can be none accompanied for an item. So we can calculate the base for the properties alone. What is the discount relation? Whether should we consider the lowest discount applicable or highest discount applicable or the total of it or the discount multiples. That calculation we can give it for the properties, because out of the 4, properties is the only thing that will get repeated for all the items. Whereas item groups, manufacturers, everything, only one will be applicable per item. So the discount groups will be the third highest priority. The fourth priority will be the period and volume discount. Like how we saw in the special prices for business partners, here also we can have the date and quantity validity. Say for example, if I'm considering the base price, if I'm considering the base price and then I'm giving the some random item number. So for this item, we can give the from date and to date validity from which the sales is going to happen till when the sales is going to happen. And again, when I click on number 1 here, you can see the quantity column, which means if I'm giving quantity as 10, then only for the multiples of 10, the discount is applicable. If I'm selling less than 10, then this particular discount category is not applicable for this item. So that is the fourth highest priority. And the fifth one, basically the standard SAP's price list, where when you open the price list, you can see all the prices appearing here. When I dig down to each prices, you can see all the items here along with its specified price. So this is considered to be the least priority. So if I have prices in the blanket agreement, only that will be considered and the rest all will be omitted. So based on the priority I said, the prices will be taken into the sales. So this is basically the price management in SAP Business One. Thank you.